opened up and I rose books, saturated by the father cloak, doomed to suffer for eternity, to slowly receiving a lifetime fading cause of the past continues and we go too far. As the agony tears me up inside, there is no Berutus. Killing the rock against the glass house, watching us surrounded by your false dude. Monotone figures, manipulate hypnosis, misinformation, disaster.
Faded canvas with our scars, they have torn us apart. Secondary nature has become so untrue to us.
We became so numb, so numb.
Secondary
nature has become so untrue to us. We became so numb, so numb. Panic and chaos and soon no one safe, so better off. The terrorists tomorrow that will take away your sorrows. To communize in us, the humanity has let us down again, led by superstitious, ignorant people. We all die off for nothing, meaningless sacrifices, casualties of our voices. In the belly of the beast, we unmade our defeat, amidst our rage, to the seas, spreads through our veins, through our boots, through our veins. Oh. Secondary nature has become so untrue to us. We became so numb, so numb.
Secondary nature has become so untrue to us. We became so numb, so numb. Secondary nature has become so untrue to us. We became so numb, so numb. Secondary nature has become so untrue to us. We became so numb,
so numb. Do you wanna see the other side? We're split in two. No way, no way to lose. We are goners, we are goners. Abandoned, we're waiting for a final outcome.